We're talking today about the top 3 businesses to do with CRM sales, all right? I've got 3 incredible companies. There is one that is my favorite, and I'm gonna point that out to you and give you a bit more in depth on that. But first, let's start with number 1. The first one I want to talk about today is Bitrix24. Now, guys, this is coming in at number 3 for me, okay? Out of the ones that I'm about to show you. It's got a lot of things going on, all right? They got a lot of collaborations where your chats and videos, calls, meetings, feed, calendar, dive, documents, webmails, and groups, okay? Obviously, the CRMs are really nice. They're nicely set out. The leads, deals, contacts, quotes, invoice, online payment, sales, rules, contact marketing, sales, all right? Through all of their different ultimate workspaces. It's a very, very nice company. Now, don't get me wrong. I truly think this company is great. It's better than most, but I do think there's a lot going on that doesn't need to be there, right? But they have everything that you need: HR, automation, chat online, sales, task, site, CRM. It can actually replace all your current SaaS solutions, free forever for unlimited users. All right, I'm going to talk about the price very soon. Easy to migrate your data from other systems, integrate with all your favorites, used, loved by over 12 million users, and 100% flat free. Okay, so it's no per user pricing. Guys, that's third on the list, and there's a reason, because I think there's a lot going on here that they don't need to have in it. Although they do have it available in 18 languages, which is fantastic. Let's move on to the second one I want to talk about. So Zoho is number 2 on my list, second best. Okay, we're getting to the number 1 soon, but it's number 2 on the list. Your life's work powered by our life's work. It is a unique and powerful suite and software to run your entire business, brought to you by a company with long-term vision and transform the way you work. Now, this has everything as well. I think it's got less needed things than the last one, but it has got everything you need for your CRM to actually be booming, okay? End-to-end, fully customizable CRM solution for growing your business and enterprise. It's got the people, mail, campaigns, desk, assisting, meetings, sprints, clicks, some of their bundles, all right? You've got a lot of bundles with different prices: people bundle, CRM Plus, finance, IT management, marketing, workplace. With all of the apps on Zoho, okay, they have a lot. Now, guys, the thing I said before, the other team had a lot that I don't think you need. You can use everything on Zoho, right? But it is a lot and it's overwhelming. It's what I would say. This is very, very not user-friendly, but it's very good. Don't get that twisted, okay? There's over 80 million users using this, all right? All the way from Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, all that. I just find it overwhelming for the normal business venture. Now, guys, I want to take you to my favorite and why it's my favorite, because it has all the features. Let's get into it. So my favorite, and at number 1, is CRM Sales Pro.net. The reason this is because 1, it's completely user-friendly. 2, it's got every single thing you need to get your business growing. And number 3, there is no unnecessary features that you don't need. So guys, there are so many happy clients with this, all right? The dashboard's super, super, super easy, user-friendly, all right? Potential with Sales Pro, every single thing about it is click and play, super easy. Don't need to be a business guru to get involved. You can increase productivity and efficiency with this very well with all the different insights that you get. Again, very user-friendly. And some of the features, like I said, they don't have an incredible amount of features because you don't need that many, okay? They've got exactly the amount you need. Contact Center, where it's a centralized system that enables businesses to efficiently manage customer interactions. They've got Invoicing Center that allows businesses to easily create and send invoices to clients. They've got the Meeting Center, the project work tracking. There's a reason I love this, and it's not just because of the features and what goes on, but let me talk about the pricing. For the pricing for CRM Sales Pro, it's a one price deal. You pay once, $99, not like the others, and that is it for life. You will get everything that we spoke about, every feature that you need to make this boom, okay? Every single thing we spoke about for $99. All you gotta do is hit that link down below and get this incredible lifetime deal. Let me quickly log in and show you what it looks like inside of CRM Sales Pro. You can see why it's my favorite, because I'm in there. Look how easy this is. If you wanna add a user, all right, simply come over here, hit the plus, and you can add it. Click and play. Guys, this is why I love this, and for $99, you cannot go wrong. So there you go, guys. If you want to get involved with CRM Sales Pro right now, hit that link down below and get that exclusive deal I just showed you. Thank you so much, and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.